Hey guys! So, today what we're going to do is we're going to go to Barcelona. We're going to hop on the bus in a minute.
We see you in
Barcelona.
So, we are in Barcelona, and first we're gonna eat something, and after that we're going to Joshua.
We're going to go to Camp now.
Yes, it is. Football stadium of Barcelona. First, got something to eat. Joshua's got a hamburger, and I've got some doner kebab. Here we are.
Camp Nou, or now, I don't know what it is.
Camp Nou, Camp Now.
I don't know.
I don't
care. It's just... Holy shit.
It's enormous. Humongous.
Literally. And the weather's not too great.
Well, not too bad.
It's sunny. It's like, it's great, it's sunny. But it's some traffic. It's too sunny.
It's too hot.
But, I mean, that doesn't matter. Because we're actually here. Actually out on Barcelona's ground. Look at this, look. Look at that whole bit that at the back. That's the end. That's not even the end.
No, I can't see it. You can't see it.
Can't believe it. I can't. The thing is, that I love football and everything, but just standing here, thinking about like all these legends who've ever walked this bit. Look at that.
Look how big it is.
Okay, I'm gonna get my phone.
Yeah, cool. But I can't get the whole stadium on my camera.
Yeah, that's how big it is.
Yeah.
Literally. Ridiculous. I mean, if you're not a football fan, I mean, it doesn't matter, but for me, it means so much. It might sound real stupid or whatever, but I don't care. It really does. Looking at all them signs at the back. I can't.
He's just speechless. Bless you.
Thank you.
He just sneezed.
I heard that.
Look at all these old. Look at this. Look at the players enjoying their washing machine and the fridges. They're just loving it.
So guys, we're back again, and today all we're going to do is chill. We're just going to chill. We're just going to chill because it's so warm.
And we're tired.
We're tired, we're knackered, we actually are.
We had a massive party last night.
Yeah, we killed the party last night and everything, so we're just going to chill now and grab an ice cream, I guess.
Yeah, say goodbye to Camp Nou. See you soon.
See you soon indeed. We're going to check the experience out one day. It's quite cheap anyway. And for the rest, I guess we'll see you guys
Soon?
At home, I guess, when we get home.
Or when we get the ice cream. We will see you. And look what we have there. It's the field. It's the field.
It's the pitch.
We're not allowed to go on the field, so yeah, we can see it here. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's pretty bright, so. And here we are at McDonald's. Joshua's got 2 McFlurries and I've got an iced latte. Time to cool down.
Literally, no. Sweet mate. Best thing about this is, I've got double chocolate. I've got Kit Kat in this one, and this one's Oreo.
So we end up here. We're still in Barcelona. And yeah, we're looking into some fountain water shows. And there are so many people here. Look at it. Full of it. It's packed. It looks like clouds. Huh? It looks like clouds. Yeah. Look at all the people in the front row who are getting so wet.
Yeah, no, it's so.
So guys, this was the vlog for today.
All we actually came here to do in Barcelona is just look at that thing behind you.
Camp Nou or Camp Nou.
No, I don't know. I don't care. But so all we did that, it was really come here to look at that, and we just did that, and it was great.
It was
had a good day.
Yeah, great day. So all we're going to think is this is the end of the vlog. So I think see you guys
Next time.
tomorrow. Bye. Good night. Sleep well.